Clearing your search history on Forge Global is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your search history is deleted. Step 1. Log in. Access your Forge Global account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Find Privacy or Security Settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear search history. Within the Privacy or Security settings, find the option to clear or delete your search history. Click on this option to initiate the clearing process. Step 5. Confirm deletion. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to clear the search history. Confirm your choice to complete the process. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on Forge Global. Regularly clearing your history can help maintain your privacy and enhance your user experience.